sports. Well, Fisher Island once again making headlines tonight after the Homeowners Association was approved for a $2 million federal loan.
Yeah, the money from the same program intended to help small businesses out there. NBC 6 reporter Jamie Guirola is live in Miami Beach with the details tonight. Jamie.
Yeah, the Fisher Island Community Association will decide tomorrow whether or not to accept that $2 million in federal funding. Meanwhile, on the other side of the bridge in areas like Little Havana, business owners of salons and restaurants, they missed out on that cash and now are struggling to decide whether or not they can even reopen. Fisher Island, a private, luxurious and wealthy 216-acre community making headlines again during the coronavirus pandemic. Hundreds of residents being asked to weigh in on whether to accept a $2 million forgivable loan for the Paycheck Protection Program.
The workers have not seen any reduction in their wages or benefits.
O'Brien says she represents up to 150 employees who are security officers, landscapers, and maintenance crews for the Fisher Island Community Association, or FICA.
We don't really know about how Fisher Island manages its budgets. We just know how it's treating its workers, including its, manual laborers, and it's been with respect.
The Miami Herald first reported the story. A source confirmed the details for NBC 6. Miami-Dade Commissioner Eileen Higgins, who represents the secluded island, says FICA has a decision to make.
I represent a district that has the greatest wealth disparity in the county.
Commissioner Higgins believes PPP loan access came down to who had sophisticated banking relationships. Those with less know-how got lost in the process and paperwork.
Their banking knowledge got them approved a little more quickly because they knew how to work the system. And they're now realizing that some of that money could have gone to someone who owns a hair salon who literally is hovering between they're closed now, and if they don't get these kinds of funds or the funds run out for them, they'll never be able to reopen again.
And it was just last week when we all learned that the residents of Fisher Island were all being given COVID-19 tests, and that announcement garnered attention from all over the world. And criticism, actually. Reporting live tonight from Miami Beach, Jamie Guirola, NBC 6 News.